Good boys. Welcome back to vlog number 5, I think it is. So today we are just going to be doing a little bit of a day in the life of a varsity student slash bodybuilder. It's not going to be the most exciting video because not everything in life is exciting. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. So I've got only one class today. That's why I'm going to do the video today, because it's just a bit easier as I'm recording myself. So I need to choose my days that I record very strategically, just to make it easier for the editing for everything. So that's pretty cool though, that we only have one class. For those of you that don't know, yes, I do still study. I'm doing a BSc Ag, Agricultural Economics with Agricultural Business Management. So it's quite an extensive program. Sorry, the light entering. It's quite an extensive program, but I am enjoying it. I still got 2 years left to go. But there's nothing you can do about it. If you need to study, you need to study. That's what we're doing. And then after that, I've got a pool session. Take you along to that as well. Another thing I've learned the past couple of weeks is that content shouldn't rule you. You should rule content. Meaning that you shouldn't just live for content. You should make content out of your daily lives, and whatever you can to make content with, do that. So that's what I'm trying, to make content out of normal going to class everyday videos. I shall see you guys when I get to campus. Welcome to campus. It's pretty. It's pretty daunting for me because everybody's watching. The gym is usually quiet, so there's not a lot of people to see me record and watch me talk to a camera. So this is my heart's racing, but it's a new experience. You need to embrace new experiences. So I will see you in class.
I'm sure he wasn't the only one who wondered about it. DMU, does anybody know what that stands for? Total appearance. Our first question was 9 rand. This decision maker had to choose, so if our decision maker had a utility function that is information that might allow us to know whether something is good or not. If we are purchasing stocks in that order, that diversify our portfolio.
This is supposed to be economics.
Maar wat neem je nou eindelijk op? Een mooi voetbal. Een video man. Ja, man.
Possibly lock the cars inside the key.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Never. Nooit. Kan jullie dit oorvertel? What? Today is my lucky day. I need to go and play the lotto because it's very reckless of me, but I left my car keys in the car before going to class, and when I left I was like, where the heck are my car keys? and sure, they were in the car, in the ignition, with the car still unlocked. I'm very lucky, especially if you know where we live, like in South Africa. Yeah, that's very lucky. So the Lord watched over my car today. But it was a good class. That shit was not economics. It's a lot like math and derivatives, but it's quite interesting nonetheless. So we're on our way to the gym now. I don't have a pre-workout meal. I only had breakfast this morning, but I should be okay. I will see you guys when I get to the gym. Just got to the gym. I'm on a bit of a non-stim pre-workout. The link in my store will be in the description down below. But this is a pretty fire pre-workout because it just hits you incredibly hard and there's no caffeine in. And then this will be my intro, just some BCAAs and some creatine. So, down the hatch. Exercise I saw actually somebody doing. His name is Armand now. I actually saw him doing it in this gym. So it's a single arm cable lat pull down, and the squeeze you get on this thing is absolutely fantastic. I'll tag him down below. So thanks Armand for that tip. Yeah, I saw it on his Instagram. So let's do it. And the squeeze you get on this thing is insane. So all you want to do is go there, keep the contraction, full stretch. Yeah, squeeze one. Whoa, that's insane. And you don't have to go super heavy. I've got about 35 kilos on the stack here. I'm gonna just go good. That's a great stretch for back spot. We are done for the day. That was a pretty good session. It's not everything that I did not record everything, but that was not the goal for today. The goal for today was only to show you guys day in the life, but there's some few clips in there that are pretty good. I really need to get a camera though, because my phone battery is about to die. So if you like and subscribe, the possibility of that happening will be much sooner than you think, because at the moment this is what we're dealing with. Phone and a tripod, but you make do with what you can. So I'm gonna be going home now. and then I will be having some Kellogg's cornflakes with protein for my post-workout meal, and then I will just be editing this video and chill for the rest of the day. So I think I'll put some clips in of where I actually edit this video that's going to be posting, and I'll post it today. So I think that's pretty much it for a day in the life. I live a pretty boring lifestyle at the moment because I got some goals to achieve, and that means staying committed and dedicated to specific things. But I'm glad I made this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you at home. So I screwed up. I completely, when I got home, I put my camera to charge and I had my post-workout meal and I fell asleep. So that's not very good. But I'm gonna go home now. I just finished my cardio. So I'm gonna go home now and finish editing the video. Mistakes were made, and it is what it is. So I'm gonna finish the video off over here now, just because it did not go according to plan, but it doesn't matter. We'll be back for the next one.